First, turn on the Duel Top Pro and set it to 330 degrees Fahrenheit. Then press the precision button. It's recommended to use the precision heat function to adjust power automatically for steady, even heat and consistent cooking results. After preheating, add oil to the pan and swirl it around to lightly coat the bottom. And pour the egg mixture into the pan. Let it sit for 10 to 15 seconds. Then gently pull the cooked egg from the edges toward the center with a rubber spatula. When the eggs are mostly set but still slightly soft on top, season with salt and pepper, and sprinkle the chives and cheddar cheese over the omelet. Fold the omelet in half and cook for another minute until the cheese is melted and the eggs are fully set. When the cooking is finished, slide the omelet onto a plate and garnish with greens and chives. The cheddar and chive omelet is ready to serve. First, set the Duel Top Pro to 375 degrees Fahrenheit on both cooktops and press the precision button for delicate results. Press Start to preheat. While preheating, add oil to the pork tenderloin and season with salt and pepper. After preheating, add oil to a Dutch oven and increase the temperature to 575 degrees. Add the pork tenderloin in a single layer and sear until golden brown. Flip the tenderloin, cover with the lid, and cook for 5 minutes. While waiting, add the marinated Brussels sprouts to a frying pan on the second cooktop. Pan fry until tender and caramelized. You may change the temperature on both cooktops to suit your needs. The dynamic watt system will distribute power to each top, tailored by the setting. After 5 minutes, remove the lid from the Dutch oven and add rosemary. Then continue cooking until the pork reaches 150 degrees. When the cooking is finished, plate the pork tenderloin and Brussels sprouts and garnish with herbs. The pork tenderloin with Brussels sprouts is ready to serve.
Nuwave, trusted name in home cooking and appliances.